This room is a testament to the drive of individuals who have achieved incredible things thought to be impossible. We all have, in some shape or form, conquered challenges in our lifetime, and that is something we should all be proud of. So, if love can break down walls that stand between us and our happiness, in our context, it is our love for the Filipino people, our love for country, our love for our constituents, and our love for family that will break down the walls that hinder us from an effective disaster risk reduction and management. It is also because of this love that we are here tonight to give due and proper recognition to the tireless dedication and sacrifices, not just to partners in DRRM, but to friends and families in DRRM. The opposite of courage is not cowardice. It is conformity, because even a dead fish could go with the flow. Let us continue to push the envelope. Let us continue to trailblaze programs. Let us be the beacon on what could be achieved rather than what has been achieved. Walang imposible, mahirap lang. Because our destiny is not written for us. It is written by us. The former U.S. President Barack Obama is a testament to this.